Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Calming Art of Crocheting. Today, we're diving into the world of yarn, hooks, and creativity. Crocheting is more than just a craft. It's a tranquil journey that brings peace and relaxation. So sit back, grab your favorite yarn, and let's unravel the soothing benefits of crocheting. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of calm can be challenging. That's where crocheting comes in. This age-old craft allows us to slow down, focusing on the rhythmic movement of our hands as we create intricate patterns. The repetitive motions of crocheting can have a profoundly calming effect on our minds and bodies. When you crochet, your mind enters a state of flow, where time seems to stand still. It's a beautiful meditative experience that promotes mindfulness and reduces stress. As you loop the yarn and watch your creation grow, your worries and anxieties fade away, replaced by a sense of tranquility. Crocheting also provides a wonderful sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction of completing a project, whether it's a cozy blanket, a fashionable accessory, or a whimsical amigurumi, brings joy and boosts self-esteem. The process itself teaches us patience and resilience, reminding us that even the most intricate patterns can be conquered one stitch at a time. That concludes our exploration of the calming art of crocheting. We hope you've been inspired to embrace this tranquil craft and experience the joy it can bring. Amidst the chaos of life, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook can be your oasis of peace. Keep calm and keep crocheting.